welcome back to another look inside my closet, showing you everything that I kept. So recently I did a massive closet clean out, getting rid of everything that didn't fit anymore or that I didn't wear anymore or that just needed to be thrown away because it was worn out and ruined. And I ended up with a lot of stuff that I got rid of, but I still kept a lot of things as well, and I mainly just focused on summer and spring things. I split it into 3 different categories: things that I was going to keep, things that I was going to donate, and things that I was going to chuck or throw away. And I ended up throwing away a few things, I ended up donating a lot of stuff, and I ended up keeping a lot of stuff. Now obviously I've got things up here, but again I'm just going to wait till winter to worry about that stuff again. And I wanted to take you through what's in my closet since getting rid of a lot of stuff, because my closet is now a lot smaller, and I wanted to go through a lot of my pieces and tell you why I kept them or where I got them from, because I thought that might be really interesting. So first up, starting on this side, we have these. I don't know if they're overalls or dungarees, they're like shorts though. I got them from Hawaii. They have this really nice pretty flower on the back. They are a little bit too tight around the crotch area, but it doesn't really matter, they're still okay to wear. And I do really like them. I was looking for a pair of like longer ones because I thought that'd be really nice, like, you know, pants instead of shorts, but I don't really know where to get these from. I'm kind of into overalls. I think they're really easy to like take on and off, and they're like a good little outfit, and so are like play suits and jumpsuits and stuff. But again, I have no idea where to get them from, so if you guys know, please let me know. Next is this play suit that I also got in Hawaii. I got 2 pairs. I got this one, and then I also got another one that was blue and white, but it broke a few years ago. This part here just broke off and my nana couldn't fix it, so I got rid of them, but I still have this pair that has the nice flower detail. Now I got this a few years ago, so this is kind of worn out. The reason that I didn't throw it away in that video is because I don't really have any other play suits or jumpsuits. I've been looking for some, but there aren't any that are like this. I wanted to get like a longer pants version, so like a jumpsuit, but again I don't really know where to look, so if you guys know, please let me know. And then we have this that I got really recently. It's really nice. I got it from Glassons. I think it would have been perfect for my trip to Fiji, but I got it after, and it's really nice. You would have seen this recently as well. I think it's really nice. It's also really cute and feminine and pretty. Then we have this shirt that is from Glassons, and it's the most cropped out of all of these shirts, but it's exactly the same as all of these. All of these are from Cotton On or Glassons, and they're all pretty much exactly the same, except this one's just more cropped than these ones, but they're all cropped and they're all the same. Except for this one, which is from Dottie. Next up we have this cutout shirt that I got quite a few years ago with my auntie from H&M, which isn't a store I go into a lot. I always find it really hard to find things in my size because sometimes a 10 is the same as a 12 and sometimes it's the same as an 8, which as someone with a disability, it's already hard enough for me to find things in my size, let alone having it be more complicated. And so that's why I don't really go into H&M. Next we have this really nice black shirt from Dottie. It's very similar to this one, which is a cutout shirt from H&M, but it's really nice and soft. I either buy things that are this kind of cotton fabric or I buy t-shirts that are this fabric because I'm very picky about fabrics, and both of these are super soft and nice for me because sometimes I find things too scratchy. My body's very sensitive, so shirts like these that are the nice like material I really like. This is a really pretty shirt. It's also not cropped and it's really nice. It's got kind of these flared shoulders, which are really pretty for going out to dinner and things like that. These first 2 are from Dottie, I believe, and this one is from JJ's, but they're all pretty much the same soft fabric that I really like. They're just really nice, and I like getting cropped things because they're really good for like high-waisted jeans or high-waisted pants or shorts, so that's why I get them, and they're super soft. Next up we have this nice outfit that's super soft and thin, perfect for summer or spring, just with this nice little jacket over the top. I really like it. I've had it for years and I think it's a really nice, very simple outfit. Then we have this shirt that my sister got me for my birthday. I really like it. It's super soft and nice. I threw out a lot of my stuff, including a shirt that was kind of similar to this that I got from Dangerfield that I gave to my sister because she needed some work shirts, and I got this one from her for my birthday. Here is the other shirt that I got from H&M that is actually a size 10, but it fits me like a size 12 except for the arms. The arms are a 10, which is really confusing, and this is why I wear it as a jacket over the top of cropped shirts, just because of how it fits on me. It's a bit confusing, but I don't mind wearing it as kind of like a jacket. I do still do up the buttons, so it's still okay for me to wear. Now, moving on to long sleeve shirts, we have these that are a size 12 from Illab. I've had them for so long. This one here I've had for the longest amount of time. It's really old and I definitely need to get rid of it, but I don't want to get rid of any of these shirts until I find ones that are similar, just because of who I am. I like to have kind of replacement shirts, and we've already gone through winter. I kind of started the process with these two shirts, but personally I'm still looking for ones that are like a nice pink color, and I don't like anything too tight or cropped, so I just want to get some nice, really simple long sleeve shirts. And then we also have this cropped shirt also from Illab, which is really nice. I've had it for a really long time. It's also a little bit too big for me because it's a size 12, but I still wear it and think it's really nice. It goes really well over the top of singlets, or just as is with like a high-waisted pair of jeans or shorts. Then we have this shirt, which is the only shirt in my wardrobe. I don't actually wear a lot of shirts. Next up, moving on to dresses. I have no idea where I got this one from, but I've had it for so many years. It is my birthday dress, the dress I wear every year on my birthday, but because of that, it's gotten kind of stretched out now. It also has this really cool design on the back that's really low cut, and I never know what kind of bras to wear it with. And because it's getting really baggy now, because I've had it for so long and it's kind of stretched out, I was thinking about turning it into a skirt, but I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do or how I'm going to do it. But that might be something I do in the future, just because I'm not ready to get rid of this dress. So by turning it into a skirt, I'm still able to wear it and have a lot of fun with it, and just kind of repurpose this dress that I love so much into something else that I can wear on my birthday or whenever, and just turn it into something beautiful that I still love. And then we have my Christmas dress that I really love as well. This one is from JJ's. It's really low cut at the back, and so again, it's a bit tricky to find bras that fit with it, especially since it's super baggy, because it's a size 12 and it's already kind of a bit big. Now that I've lost weight, it's super big on me. People have pointed that out to me, but I really love the elastic waist. I think it's perfect for just like every day. Then we have these two dresses that are exactly the same, both from Dottie. They are the same dress, just in two different colors, because I loved this one so much that I had to get it in this color as well. There's not a lot to say about these dresses other than the fact that I love them. They're really pretty and feminine. This dress is from Dottie. It's really nice. It's a good dress to wear over the top of like a long sleeve or a short sleeve shirt. Then I have this dress that I really love as well, that I got from Cotton On. It's perfect for springtime. Now, this dress broke. One of the straps broke. I did talk about this in my most recent video. That's why I don't want to throw it away yet. I might also turn it into a skirt, or just see if my nana can fix it again, see what we can do about it. Might have to take it into someone to kind of figure out if I can fix it. I'm sure they'll be able to, but I'm just not ready to get rid of it yet if I can fix it. And we have this really nice, elegant black dress that's really good for like a night on the town, going out to dinner, things like that. I really like this dress as well. It's also perfect for springtime or summer. It's really flowy and pretty as well. This dress was given to me, so I don't know where it's from. It's got this bit at the back that you're supposed to put underneath, but I never wear it with that piece now. I just wear it as is. And then we have all of my skirts. Not a lot to say about these. I love all of them. They're really nice. This one is from Dangerfield. This one is from, I think, Dottie. I'm not 100% sure. This one I think might be from Cotton On or Dottie or Glass-Ons. They're all from like one of those stores. Same with this one, but I've had it for so many years I honestly don't remember where it's from. I think think I was given this one, but I might have also gotten it myself. Honestly, I've had it for so many years, don't remember, but it's so pretty and perfect just to throw on. It's really nice, it's super soft and pretty, and it's a really good little mini skirt. Moving on to vests, I have this puffer vest that I got recently when I broke my arm, and I got this one quite a few years ago. This one is thinner than this, but super soft. They're both really good for that cold day when you want to wear like a long sleeve shirt or a t-shirt and you want to keep your body warm. And then we have this denim vest. It's really nice. Not much to say about it. Moving on to jackets, we have this denim jacket that's slightly cropped. It's a darker wash. It's really nice. It's a size 10, so it's a bit smaller, but it still fits me really nicely. This, I believe, is a size 12. It's a lighter wash. I think this is from JJ's, and it's kind of a boyfriend fit. It's really nice. Then we have this blazer that I got from Dangerfield with my sister. It's really nice. I've never gotten a blazer before, so I wasn't really sure where I would wear it, but it's super soft. It's nice and thick. It's really good to wear like out to dinner or to like a meeting or something. Lastly, we have this jacket that I got in Hawaii back when I got the other stuff from Hawaii as well. This is really nice. It's super soft and super thick, really good. It's faux suede. It's a really nice purple color. I think it's a size 12. It's really nice. I've had it for so many years. It's my like go-to jacket in the winter. And then here I just have jeans, the new jeans that I got, as well as this white kind of 3/4 pair. They're not jeans, but they're like a really nice, good summery material, perfect for spring or summer. Then we have this jumpsuit from Dangerfield. It's super festive-y, perfect for around the holidays, around Christmas time. I really love to wear it around that time, and it fits me amazingly well. There's not much to say about it. I do really love this jumpsuit. I think it's really good. And then we also have this jumpsuit that I got recently that I really like as well. I'm not sure where it's from, but it's super nice. And I also have these pants that I got from Glass-Ons that are really good to wear just to go out to dinner and things like that. Thank you so much for taking another look inside my closet, seeing all the pieces that I kept since cleaning it out. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what your favorite pieces are that I still have down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!